God dey more than willing to exceed that thing wey you dey expect am to do as long as you dey on his side.
Correct person there. I welcome you to this ogbonge channel Favours blog, where they give you better things, where they build you up both physically and spiritually. Here we dey make sure say everybody dey grow together for this life. They say na hand wash and na hand till they clean. Either the matter they be. This is the first time when you dey join us, or you don't join us before but you never do the needful. What if the needful? Hit the subscribe button. Touch that table like bell for notification bell so anytime we drop video, because one of the first persons to know say better don share on top Favours blog. As the matter dey hot, we go dive right into wetin we bring up for you today. No go anywhere, we dey come back.
I welcome you to Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Monday, wey be the 10th of July 2023. Our topic for today na exceeding expectations. Our Bible reading dey come from the book of 1 Kings chapter 3 from verse 4 go reach 15. 1 Kings chapter 3 from verse 4 go reach 15. And our memory verse for today na from the book of 1 Kings chapter 3 verse 13. And it will say, I don also give you the things the way you no ask, both riches and honor, so that among all the kings, no one will be like you all the days of your life. Make we see today's message. Expectation na strong belief say something go happen, especially when everything dey equal. For example, all things being equal, like wetin oyibo dey talk, person wey work at the end of the month, he go collect his salary. Wetin dis one mean be say, this expectation of salary no go come if the worker suddenly stop to work before the end of the month. The good news be say, any expectation wey you get based on the promises of God go surely come to pass, provided you stand gidigba, you follow am and you obey am. For our today memory verse, God exceeds Solomon's expectation. Solomon asked God for wisdom so that he go fit rule God people well. But to his surprise, God add some other things to his expectation of wisdom. Now me for the memory verse for 1 Kings chapter 3 verse 13. God tell us say, I don also give you those things wey you no ask me, both riches and honor, so that there no go be any king like you all the days of your life. I remember when I dey expect God to give me one just fine house when I fit dey stay after I become the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God. But he exceed my expectation. He come promise me city. Today, the redemption camp, although e still dey expand, we fit compare am to city. To experience something wey pass wetin you dey expect, or to get more than you dey hope for, you must excel for your commitment to Almighty God, the only one wey go fit exceed your expectations. You must set yourself apart in holiness if you wan experience blessing wey pass wetin you dey expect. He don promise us say he go do above wetin we expect. For example, you fit dey ask God now for the position of say, God abeg, I just want be high chief, whereas God want make you be king. You fit dey say, God, I just want to win this election, I be senator, but you fit end up becoming the president of your country. Wetin God no fit do, he no get anything. God fit easily exceed your expectations as long as you dey on his side in holiness and righteousness. We don hear the message for today. Our key point for today say, only God na go fit do pass wetin you dey expect. And so I go like make we pray this prayer together. Baba God, I thank you because e dey your mind to do pass wetin I dey expect from you. Baba God, I pray say you go give me grace to continue to dey follow you, to live holy life and righteous life. And as I continue to dey do this one, Baba God, everything wey I dey expect from you, those things wey I don put my mind say God go do am for me, baba God you go do pass wetin I dey expect, in Jesus mighty name, amen. Na Pastor E.A. Adeboye wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God na im write this Open Heavens daily devotional. God bless you.
I welcome you back from that betalicious session. How you find that? Talk to you. It makes sense. It makes sense, Abi. It makes sense. All right, now I beg, hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of this family. Like this video, don't forget to like the video. Drop your comment and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. It is show for your screen like this now. Follow us for TikTok. So we'll come your way again to another betalicious Ogbonge video. Don't forget this is Still Favors blog, and I'm me, your sister, your home girl, Lawu Favor. Now they run the show together with you, my esteemed subscribers.